Sort of sitting on the seat where it's actually not really that comfortable. So what I hope is when we adjust this and I can sit like this, that I can actually sit maybe a few centimeters. Oh, that feels really good. Can you imagine sitting like this instead of like this? Is gonna make a huge difference for me. I'm really looking forward to this.
Hi, and welcome to Sparks of Joy. Today is super exciting. We have a special guest, Christine Calvert. Christine has the same challenge I had with my Honda Rebel. It's a great bike, but if you're on the shorter side, the handlebars can be a bit of a stretch. So today we're going to fix that with some new risers and a new handlebar. Simple, but powerful. Christine, tell us a little bit about yourself and what made you want to do this mod?
Hi, I'm Christine Calvert from Norway. And this is my third bike. I had a Virago 535 and then I had a Virago 250 and I loved the Viragos. I felt, I just sat down on them and I felt at home. So when I was going to buy my third bike, I was thinking of a Virago, but they have become a bit old. So I finally decided on this Rebel 500, which I love. I love everything about it except my position. Because the handlebars are actually just too far, they're just too far stretched for me with my short arms. So this would be perfect, but I sit like this and I'm not comfortable doing that. And also there are a few other things like the clutch is hard to reach and a few other details. But I'm really looking forward to modifying this bike. Ola is going to do that for me. I'm going to be really, really comfortable because I do love this bike.
Hi, I'm Ola and I'm going to help Christine with this project. We chose these products, this handlebars from Builtwell and these risers from the German company called Voigt Motor Technique and the adjustable handlebars from ProBrake, also in Germany. Looking good.
This is going to be the greatest motorcycle experience of my life. Okay, now this guy is my husband, and my husband is a great big Norwegian and has a great big BMW motorcycle, and he's here to help Ola and me getting all this lovely stuff done. We're getting rid of all the what's it called? Bremsevätska?
Brake fluid.
Brake fluid. We're getting the brake fluid out.
So, that's great. Now finished.
Thank you. It's fun helping, actually. I'm not a mechanically disposition person.
Sure.
So
Thank you.
This is very fascinating. Ba-ba. This is my old life. I'm looking forward to my new life. Okay, in a few minutes, Ola is going to put the new steering wheel. It's not a steering wheel, it's a handlebar, isn't it? The new handlebar on my lovely little bike. And I'm so looking forward to sitting on the bike, grabbing the handlebar and just sort of getting the feel of what my bike is like now. Feels good. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so easy. Oh, this feels so good. Wow.
And your posture is very much
My posture
straight, yeah.
is so different
Yeah.
from this. Oh, this feels like being at home, actually.
How does the levers feel?
They feel great. Because, you know, I used to have to do this, and now I
Yeah.
can just stretch my fingers out. They feel really good. They're really comfortable. I actually like the fact that they're sort of flat
Yeah.
on top, so it's really easy to get a grip. Oh, this it sort of feels more like my Virago, actually. Oh, this is so
Oh, that's
nice.
good.
This is
That was
so
our goal,
great.
so that was very
Yeah.
good. This little bell is called a gremlin bell. According to legend, it protects motorcyclists from road gremlins, those invisible troublemakers that cause mechanical issues or bad luck. But there's a catch. You're not supposed to buy one for yourself. It has to be a gift from someone who cares about you. So this is a little surprise for Christine. I'm not really superstitious, but I do believe in kind gestures, good energy, and wishing the people I care about a safe and joyful ride.
It has been such a wonderful experience, and I'm really looking forward to driving home to Norway with this babe.
It's been very cool to have you here. I hope you're coming back soon.
Me too.
Ride safe, my friend. And may the gremlins stay far, far away.
The bike should fit you. You don't have to fit the bike. Let the bike fit you.